Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My lies all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like.
Woo!
I think this is an anthem.
This feels very martyry.
Yeah. Murdery?
Martyr.
Oh, martyry. Wow.
Oh, that's a big word for you. Nice job.
You know what I'm saying? Like, she's like, this is me.
Yeah.
I'm not ashamed. Now I really want to watch this.
I know. I
know.
do.
Very. Is it very girl power?
I think it might be.
It might be us.
It might be our anthem.
Yeah.
I don't know, but it also, with the book I'm reading right now, I'm like, she's about to go to the purge. I'm sad.
See? Yes. I know, dude. It's kind of wow.
And welcome back.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is what we do here. We welcome you.
Yes.
Anybody can come join us on this journey. We're immediately we react. And this is the second of our K-pop Demon Hunters reaction
To the actual film
series. There we go.
Yes.
Yep.
So we did Golden. Loved it.
Yep.
And now
Anthem.
Yeah, and now we're here again without watching any of it.
No,
so
yeah.
we're kind of taking, we don't know what's happening. We're going to try to figure it out.
No, we're not.
Well, girl power. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they're coming together.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
They're like, yes, okay.
Why did I cover up the color stuck inside my head? I should've let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write, this is what it sounds like.
This is amazing.
Stop the song.
Silence, we're rising, defiant, shouting in the choir.
Okay.
Alone. We listen to the demons, we let them get between us. But none of us are out here.
Get 'em, girls, get 'em.
So we were cowards, so we were liars, so we're not heroes. We're still survivors, the dreamers, the fighters. No dying, I'm tired, but dive in the fire and I'll be right here by your side.
Look at that.
I have so many.
Yeah. This is great.
We broke into a million pieces and
Get 'em,
we
girls.
can't go back. But now
Oh, they're in different outfits.
They're like
in
white now.
Right, us ladies. Comments. Getting them.
My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like.
I love this.
Yes. This is,
Okay, so
That's very.
do it.
Yeah.
It's like, whenever movies, this is why people love movies, okay? Because they just, you're so engrossed in the character's journey, the arc.
Yes.
As book readers would say. The arc of the development, character development, all of that stuff. And I feel like they went through stuff to get to this point.
Me too.
They block the demons.
Yeah.
Like maybe their friendship. Okay, here's my story to it.
Yeah,
Ready?
you tell us.
I'm thinking these three were best friends. They let the negativity demons get involved and break them
Break
up.
them apart.
Yes, because they were divided.
Shards of glass.
Yes.
Shards of glass.
And then they're like, no, F this.
Yes, F this.
We're together.
Let's get them demons.
Let's do it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Why do we cover up the colors stuck inside our head? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead.
Look at this.
Show me
Get it,
what's
girls.
underneath.
Yes,
I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like.
I feel like something's happening.
They're all because Because
they're like bigger demons.
No, it's yeah.
They're the king demons.
Forces cannot defeat.
You can do it, girl.
He loves her.
Protect her!
He loves her.
But he's a bad guy.
He is a bad guy.
He's Xander.
Love conquers. He took it.
I cannot!
No. Is this needed?
Jinu, no.
I'm sorry for everything.
No. I wanted to set you free.
Yeah.
You did.
This is.
You gave me my soul.
You need to
back.
read Fourth Wing.
I'm sorry. Stop it! What is happening? I have chills. You know what this makes me think of? Anakin, you're breaking my heart.
Stop it.
Dude!
Millennials are still here.
Unite! Unite! I need a drink. Ladies, should we react and watch this together?
100%. Yeah.
I'm in tears and I have no idea.
Yeah, yeah.
She said I wanted to
Save you.
That is. See his marks?
Yes! Because she's a hunter. She hunts demons. He's a demon.
Yeah.
But they fell in love, and she wanted to save him.
But he's gonna save her.
He's gonna. The villain
The
becomes
heart.
the hero.
Yeah, but he can't die.
He doesn't.
He's
die.
going to
No.
though.
Bullshit.
You stop that.
That's why I'm crying.
Happy
I know
ending.
what happened.
We want a happy ending.
Yeah, we are.
Maybe part 2. Demon Hunter season 2.
No.
She goes and gets him, but he's going. He's going with the angry man in the
Oh.
His papa. King demon.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Oh my
we go.
God.
And now, I give it to you.
His soul.
See? She's never going to
Now she's angry. Now she's pissed. Yes! Oh, they're getting their souls back.
Wow. Okay.
They're like,
You're just my type.
That was Chelsea.
We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The sky's a part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Why did we cover
How
up the
fun,
colors
but
of your
sad.
eyes? Lit up and let the jacket and just meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined. This is what it sounds like. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Fearless and undefined. This is what it sounds like. Truth after all this time. Our voices all combined. When darkness meets the light. This is what it sounds like.
that's a lot of people.
Oh, that was cute.
I literally want to watch it.
It's kind of, it's kind of not good, you know?
I know. We saw the ending.
Oh,
We did.
yeah.
We did.
But I do like ruining it.
Me too.
knowing-
And then knowing as we
Yeah,
watch
you
it.
know
Yeah.
that It's going to be a little bit of a sadness
Yeah.
journey.
But else. But here's the thing: is when I see the end, then it's like, don't get connected to this character. They're gonna die, and then I
Die.
get more connected.
Yes, because you know it's
Yeah.
sad.
Yeah,
They're
they're
gonna
invested.
You're invested, dude. You're invested in their happiness.
Yeah.
The arc, dude. It's all about the arc. It is.
Wow, beautiful.
I know. I don't know. You guys tell us if you want us to watch it. I'm sure they're probably like 45-minute episodes. I don't know. Maybe they're not because is it a miniseries? I don't even know.
I don't even know. Yeah.
But we might do it. And
Yeah.
if you didn't ask for it, who cares? We're doing it anyway.
Yeah. There could be a poll.
There might be a poll.
Oh.
The poll word.
Bring in the poll.
Bring it in the
Yes.
poll.
Definitely turn on your notifications so you can
No.
see when the poll launches. And then it'll be a yes or a no.
Oh, easy. It's an easy one.
It's an easy one.
Yeah.
It'll be yes.
50-50, dude.
Yeah.
You know, we'll have it open for a little bit and then take your feedback and then, move on.
Yeah.
So,
Let us know.
yeah, let us know. Thank you
Like,
for joining us.
comment, subscribe, all the things.
And then we'll see you next time.
Yes. Bye.